Hey, what is up YouTube? Lando Tech here, and in this video, I'll show you how to reset your ONN 4K Pro without a remote control. Start off by holding the reset button at the back for 5 seconds. Then, keep holding the reset button, unplug the power cable, and count another 5 seconds. Now, while still holding the reset button, plug the power cable back in and count for 5 more seconds. Then, let go of the reset button. On your TV screen, you'll eventually see the Android recovery screen. I'll show you how to navigate this screen to wipe your ONN TV, and all I ask in return is for you to hit that like button and subscribe. From here, we have to select Wipe Data Factory Reset. To do that, press the reset button a few times until you highlight Wipe Data Factory Reset. Now, press and hold the reset button to select it. Your selection will turn green. When it does, let the reset button go, and you'll then be brought to the next menu. From here, press the reset button once and highlight Factory Data Reset. Then, press and hold the reset button to select Factory Data Reset. Let it go, and your ONN TV will begin wiping. When you see the text at the bottom that says, Data Wipe Complete, then your factory reset is all done. Press and hold the reset button to select Reboot System Now. Once you let it go, your ONN TV will reboot itself and bring you to the setup screen when it's done. If the factory reset didn't fix the issue, then maybe it's time for an upgrade. I have a link for the ONN 4K Plus in my description below. If you haven't heard about the ONN 4K Plus yet, watch this video right here for additional information on it.